Hi everyone, are you ready to create your very first website? In this video I will guide you through the basics of HTML step by step and help you build a simple web page from scratch. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Let's start with the basic structure. This is the foundation. The HTML tag wraps everything. The head contains metadata like title. The body is where your content goes. Now let's add images, links and lists. Here we have the image. Here is the link. And finally we have the lists. Great job! You've just created your first web page. In the next video we will explore CSS and how to style your page. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you want more beginners-friendly coding videos.